Friends, there are many things around us that we can't see with our normal eyes. Have you ever wondered how the surface of your skin looks after getting an injection, or how terrifying a mosquito appears under a microscope? Or how the famous bacteria in curd, known as lactobacillus, actually looks? And can you imagine what human sperm looks like under a microscope? In this video, we'll explore how these everyday things look when magnified thousands of times, and trust me, the results will shock you. My goal is 200 likes on this video. Let's see if you can make it happen. Let's begin. Number 15, grass. You walk on grass every day without noticing its beauty. But when you see grass under a microscope, it looks completely different, almost like it's smiling at you. The tiny blades appear to have cheerful faces that seem to welcome you. If you could see them with your normal eyes, your mornings in the garden would start with a smile. Number 14, the human tongue. Our tongue feels smooth and helps us taste delicious food. But under a microscope, it looks very different. You'll see hundreds of tiny raised bumps that look like sea corals or underwater trees. These are your taste buds, which make each person's tongue unique, just like fingerprints. Number 13, injection needle and skin. Even the smallest injection needle can scare anyone. But have you seen what it looks like up close? Under a microscope, the needle looks like a giant metal spear with a hollow opening at the tip where medicine flows into your body. And if you observe the skin after an injection, you'll find a large hole at the puncture site, something invisible to the naked eye but shocking under magnification. Number 12, skin mites. On your face, tiny organisms called skin mites live without you even knowing. They're invisible to the eye, but under the microscope, they look like long worm-like creatures with legs near their heads. These mites, known as demodex, feed on dead skin cells. Normally, they're harmless, but an imbalance in your immune system can lead to acne or redness. Number 11, mosquito. Mosquitoes may look small, but under a microscope, they appear monstrous. Their mouthparts are equipped with tiny needles that pierce the skin and suck blood efficiently. Even their legs have thorn-like structures. Scientists have discovered over 3,000 mosquito species, and each has unique features visible only under magnification. Number 10, eggshell. An eggshell looks smooth and simple, but through a microscope, it transforms into a complex network of bubbles and patterns. It almost looks like the surface of a moon or something out of a cartoon world like Tom and Jerry. Number 9, ant. Ants are found almost everywhere on Earth except Antarctica. They seem tiny and harmless, but under a microscope, their faces look terrifying, like demons from a movie. Their eyes resemble shiny black pearls, and their jaws look like powerful claws. There are over 12,000 known species of ants, and each one looks uniquely menacing when magnified. Number 8, the human eye. Our eyes are beautiful and full of life. But when magnified, the structure becomes breathtakingly complex. The iris appears like a swirling galaxy or even a black hole. It's actually a hollow structure that allows light to pass through the pupil and reach the retina, helping us see the world around us. Number 7, human skin. If you observe your skin under a microscope, you'll see an entire landscape full of texture. The outer layer, called the epidermis, doesn't look smooth at all. It's covered with small ridges and patterns. You can even see tiny sweat droplets emerging through pores, a fascinating reminder that our skin is alive and constantly active. Number 6, curd bacteria, lactobacillus. We all know that yogurt contains lactobacillus bacteria, but few have ever seen them. Under a microscope, these bacteria appear as small moving rods. At different magnifications, you can see them forming chains and clusters. If you could see these bacteria with your naked eye, you might hesitate before eating yogurt, but thankfully, they're the reason yogurt tastes so good and is healthy for your digestion. Number 5, eyelashes. Eyelashes protect our eyes from dust and tiny flying insects. But when you see them under a microscope, you'll notice that they can grow in multiple directions. Sometimes this irregular growth causes irritation or even requires minor surgery. Interestingly, eyelashes can also host tiny parasites called mites, which are visible only under very high magnification. Number 4, old light bulb. Before LED and CFL bulbs, we used those old orange glowing bulbs. Under a microscope, the filament inside looks like an intricate structure of a futuristic city. The wires resemble the framework of tall buildings, and the spiral filament looks like a metallic bridge or escalator connecting them. It's like looking at a miniature world inside a light bulb. Number 3. Pet hair. We love to cuddle our pets, but have you ever seen their hair under a microscope? Dog and cat hair looks like overlapping threads woven together. If there are tiny parasites on their skin, they cling tightly to the hair and cause itching. That's why it's important to bathe your pets regularly, to keep them clean and healthy. Number 2. Lipstick. Lipstick makes lips beautiful, but under a microscope, it tells a different story. Its surface appears uneven and cracked, almost like the walls of an abandoned house. The pigments and wax crystals form a rough texture that looks nothing like the smooth stick we see in real life. Once you've seen it magnified, applying it might feel a little eerie. Number 1. Human sperm. Finally, one of the most astonishing microscopic views, human sperm. These tiny, fast-moving cells look like small fish swimming in water. Each sperm has the potential to create life. Millions of them move together in search of an egg, a process that starts the miracle of human birth. Just like in the movie 3 Idiots, they keep swimming with determination toward their goal. So, friends, these were some incredible microscopic views of ordinary things around us. Which one amazed you the most? Tell me in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more mind-blowing discoveries. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.